Hello, my name is Don Chater. I'm a website guy. Saw one of your trucks, did some research on your website. Pulled it up here. I see you're in Antioch. I live just over the border in Salem Lakes. I'm actually at the library in Salem Lakes. Sometimes I use the one in Antioch, but just want to give you some free tips and tricks on your website. So I see that it's not secure. There's probably sometimes it's free to get. It's called a SSL, and through whoever your web host is. Let's see some tools that I'm using here. So I get websites to the top of Google and other search engines. I think I just clicked on something by accident, but as you can see here, so the volume. These are keywords that people are searching for. This is the monthly basis that people are searching for those keywords. So just right here, and then the position of your website is, so this is good. You're on the first page when people are searching this in Chicago, but it's estimating that no one's actually clicking on your website, so there's not a lot of volume anyways. But just looking at all these, so this is second page, second page, second page, third page, second page. Here's a paid tool that shows sort of the same thing here. Let's see, so the keyword, the volume, the position, so you're on the first page for your own name, and there's a lot of people looking for you, so that's good. But there's like office furniture in Milwaukee, so that's a good money keyword. 200 people looking for this. I don't know if you do used office furniture, but like corporate moving, that's a good one. But it's showing position, page 5 or 6. So let's see, some things that you could do. Let's see, so here's a scanner. So there's 3 things that you can do. So your title tag, commercial movers, Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee. Actually, that's perfect right there. Same thing here. I would have it very consistent. I would put commercial movers, Chicago, Milwaukee here. H1 tag, I would also have, corporate movers, probably your biggest money keyword. Just so those 3 things are what Google will know: who you are, where you are, what you do. So those 3 things. So corporate moving in Chicago, H1 tag, corporate moving in Chicago, meta description, title tag, commercial mover. Just to keep it very consistent, that tells Google what you want to rank for. There's a lot of other things too, like backlinks. It looks like you have 0 backlinks. Let's see. Make sure. Backlinks are very important. Internet here is kind of slow at the library. This one says how many. Oh, backlinks 33. 18 are no follow. So that's actually pretty good. But to be competitive with other people, this needs to keep building, and the scores need to be high. Like they got a few here. These are really high. If you can get more like these high ones, that would help your ranking. So those are just some ideas. Let's see if this one came up. Yeah, yellow pages. It's good to be in the yellow pages. Have to beg the web again, and then it doesn't even. So those are just some ideas. So having consistent H1 tag with the title and the meta description, and then getting more backlinks. Those are just a few ideas, and Hope that helps. If you got questions, hit me back up. I'm gonna send this video over to you. Sorry it's a little long, but have a good day.